Hello everyone, it's Bethany. I have an unboxing for you today. This is a Diamond Art Club and the name of the canvas is Paris. It is by the artist Olha Darchuk. The dimensions for this piece are 25 inches by 20 inches or 64 centimeters by 51 centimeters. It is a round. The price of this canvas on the Diamond Art Club website is $44.99. Let's go ahead and open it up. Inside we have the canvas along with the drills inside of a plastic sleeve which says Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. Here is a sticker which has the diamond painting and information on it. We have a standard toolkit. This is not one of the newer packaged kits. They just came out with newer packaged kits which I do believe have a cover minder in them and some other things. I haven't seen one or opened one yet, so I don't know. We have some baggies, 2 pieces of pink heart wax, a diamond painting pin, a foamy grip, which sometimes for some reason will slide better on one way or the other. I like to go ahead and just put that on when I open it up. We also have a 4-placer. We'll put that on there as well, and a tray. If you are new to diamond painting, these kits have everything that you need to get started. If you are not new, then you know that these kits are very basic and there's a lot of other options out there for you. I try to purchase things and post them on my channel, so keep an eye out for that. Those drills are already trying to get out. Woohoo! This is a little bit smaller than the ones I've been doing for the most part, but that's kind of nice. This is a poured glue canvas, which means I can roll the canvas back to help it lay flat faster, which I'm going to do because I want to show you guys. Look at that, isn't that pretty? I think it's really pretty. Here are the drills. We also have a larger sticker sheet. Name of the canvas, artist, a place for you to input your start date and end date, a picture of the original artwork, gorgeous, and the dimensions. You also have a list of the serial number, the symbol, and the color code, which is DMC numbers, and these are on stickers. Well, this whole sheet is a sticker, but these are cut out, pre-cut out, the symbols and the codes, symbol and the color code, so that you can put these on your containers or bags when you're kitting up, if you like. This is 18 colors. And it has one AB, which looks like it's going to be white. Also included in this kit are step-by-step instructions to diamond painting. and a code for 10% off your next purchase. Tips and tricks. I am going to read for you the description of this piece off of the Diamond Art Club website. It says, "Smell the scents of fragrant flowers and freshly baked baguettes as you stroll along this pedestrian walkway in the misty drizzle of La Ville Lumière. Set against the backdrop of the Eiffel Tower, fall in love again with this beautiful cityscape that captures the essence of all that is Paris." Let's open up these drills and take a look at them. Actually, before we look at the drills, let's go ahead and look at the canvas a little bit more. You've already seen the thumbnails of the picture that this is. In case you forgot already, there it is. The symbol clarity is really clear. And for this being a black, white, red, and gray canvas, those symbols are not difficult to distinguish from one another, which is really nice. You might also see that glittery sparkle on the background of the canvas. That is one of the beautiful things about the Diamond Art Club canvases. There's a lot, actually. They have scalloped edges and they are serged. This helps prevent fraying of the canvas. On the bottom right hand corner, you have their lifetime warranty information. So if you spill some drills or something, they can help you replace some of those. In the bottom, you have their social media information. Bottom left has a thumbnail of the image, which shows the pasting area. It has the code that they use for this particular kit, the name of the canvas, which is called Paris. Dimensions, once again, 25 inches by 20 inches or 64 centimeters by 51 centimeters by Olha, Darchuk, and Diamond Art Club. In both the lower right and the upper left, you have copies of the symbol codes, and at the top you have their name and logo. Do what makes you sparkle, Diamond Art Club. Very pretty. I love the people walking. I love the colors on this. The Eiffel Tower, you have the pretty buildings. I'm looking forward to doing this. I think it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. All right, let's go ahead and look at the drills. For real this time. We have 9801, 814, 3705, and that's actually like a hot pink color. Didn't expect that. 815, 606, 666, 321. I just dropped these on the floor. I got so excited about seeing this AB 141, it is a white, that I just dropped things on the floor. I'll pick those up after I finish this strip. We have 413, 414, two of those. We have 317, 3865. A little black hitchhiker. We have 3 bags of that. 3799, which is a very dark gray. 415, 415, 415. We have 3 bags of those. And a 310. I could be wrong, but I'm guessing the other strip of diamonds has more 310s. Because I can't imagine there only being 1 bag. Oh yeah, check it out. There's 2 bags of those. There's another 310. Which, by the way, looks very nice. We have 762, and we have 4 bags of those. That's the most color in this kit, I suppose. We have 2 318s and a 3371. I really like the colors in this kit. I am probably going to make it extra dazzly somehow. I haven't figured out yet exactly what I'm going to do, but I have started doing such things to my kits, so probably will. We'll see. I don't have any immediate thoughts on the idea. Maybe, yeah. I was going to say I might put some lights in the Eiffel Tower, but the thing is, like, I don't know. I like the colors scheme how it is, and if I was to add yellow or orange or gold, I think it might change the whole thing, so I'm not sure. Anyway, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!